Hi guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial. This is Abby Benson, and today's video we're going to look at how you can create this awesome typography inside of Photoshop. So let's get into it. The first step which you want to do is press Command N on your keyboard. That's to create a new document, and I'll be working in an A4 size, so I'm just going to change my preset name to typo. Then the resolution to be 300, then the color mode will be RGB, and I'll say create. So I want to change this white background to black, so I'm just going to press Alt and backspace. Then the next step I'm just going to do is just come to the text here and just type in ABAN. Oh, at ABAM. ABAN. Alright, the next thing which I want to do right now is just to make the text big, so I'll just come on the move to here and then just drag these points and make them big, and okay, we are done. So the next thing I'm going to do is just come to the layer here and just click options and just convert to shape. Then the next step I'm going to do, I'll come to the direct selection to here, so maybe yours is on the path selection, change it to direct selection and say okay. Then the next thing, I want to highlight these points which I want to drag, so I'll just highlight all the points at the bottom here like this and drag like this. Okay, so the next thing, come back again to the layer panel here and just say options and convert to smart object. Then the next thing is to now make that effect which we want to create. So we'll do that by coming to the filter, then come to the liquify, then alright. So what I'm going to do here is just pass through my brush here and do it again here at the bottom like so and say okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is create a smart object. The good part about smart objects is that when you make mistakes or you want to make changes, you can always come back and do that. So what I'm going to do here, I will come to the brush here, then I will change my foreground here to black. Okay, let me just do this and just switch them like this, so my foreground becomes black here, so that I can paint on these areas, rub them off. So just rub these parts like this, and I will do that to the same to this also as well. Okay, all right, so I am working with a soft brush, so if you come here, these brush presets, so I'm just working with this soft brush. All right, so the good part which I said about with working with smart object with masks is that you can always return back the detail which you have lost. So let's say, for example, I want to bring out some parts which I feel like I'm losing here. You can just switch this to white, then just bring them back like so, and we're good. All right, I think this is good. Just fine tuning it. Great. Okay, this looks so cool right now. It looks as if it's going in and coming out, and this is something which I want, and I love this effect. So just to create it, to make it more interesting, the next thing which I'm going to do here is just come to the layer panel here and say options, then say blending options. Then I'm going to just add some gradients to this and see what we can do here. So I'm going to come here, then I'll think I'll go, let's see, maybe try to work with the greens. Let's see, do we have the greens in here? This is awesome. Okay, so the greens preset, and let's see how, this looks cool. I love this, and I'll say okay. And guys, we are done, and this is how you create this awesome effect inside of Photoshop. And if you want to go out, you can go out, experiment and see what works for you, and you can even add your own feel to it anyway. So this has been Abby Benson. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and you have learned something. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Preview.